Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand oven and you're getting an error E305 and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it? So first of all, what is it? So the E305 error is an error where the base plates of the oven are unable to connect, are not properly connected. Anyways, that's what the oven is sensing. And this is happening within the electronics of the oven. So the first remedy for getting rid of this E305 is to basically do a hard reset on the oven. So what you want to do is you need to disconnect it from the power. So you can either unplug it from the wall if you have it plugged into the wall, but most ovens are going to be hardwired. So what you need to do is just go to the circuit box and turn off the circuit that it is on and leave it off for at least a minute. After a minute's up, you can turn it back on, and that should clear this error out. If the error comes back, then that means you might have some physical damage actually in the base plates, and you're going to need to have a technician come work on it. But just doing a hard reset very well may clear out and keep this error from coming back. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.